Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check the meeting schedule on Outlook of others. So let's do it. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we want to view the meeting schedule of others on our Outlook. We're in Outlook.live. On the left, you're going to click on the calendar icon. You will find your own calendar displayed here. And on the left-hand side in this toolbar, you will see My Calendars, and the check mark is representing what is being shown here. Just underneath that, you've got other calendars. So I've got the calendar of Greg Smith. I can actually just check that, and you can see that here's Greg Smith's calendar. On this calendar, if there are any meetings scheduled, you'll actually be able to see, right? The same with the Tyler John Hellier calendar. That's another calendar that's been shared with me. And here you can see that if you click on any one of these days, you'll see all of the information if there is a meeting scheduled. If you would like to just see that full calendar, you can just uncheck your own calendar and you will now be able to see a full view of somebody else's calendar and their meeting schedule. I hope this was helpful.